meter in series with the output, the battery output positive, and to the positive intake of the driver. Now I will connect the negative here and it should run. Liquids wash. I'm going to connect the next thing, then you see the differences. I'm going to connect load. Now I connect load. The amp reading goes down. So the voltage comes down. I connected load, the amp reading goes down. The amp reading didn't shoot up. So that's the load. Now I remove the load. The amp reading goes up. I'll connect the load again. Sorry. Now I connect the load again. The amp reading goes down. And the speeds increase. No less law. I remove the load, the amp reading will go up. I just remove the load. You see it's going up. I'm putting the load back. Just goes down again. So this is the open source version of the project.